Today we will be learning how to design stunning YouTube thumbnails using Wepik. This quick tutorial is perfect for novice content creators looking to level up their video presentations. Let's get started. First, head over to Wepik's website and select YouTube thumbnails from the templates section. Browse through our collection and pick one that catches your eye. Once you have it, it's time to customize it. Click on the text box you'd like to edit and change the font style, size, and color to match your content. Now, let's make your thumbnail even more eye-catching by adding images and icons. Click on the Images or Icons tab in the left panel and search for graphics that complement your video content. Simply drag and drop them onto your design and resize or reposition them as needed. Next, tweak the background and colors to suit your preferences. Click on the background to access the color options, or use the Backgrounds tab to choose a different image or pattern. You can also apply filters and adjust the color balance. Once you're satisfied with your YouTube thumbnail design, click the download button in the top left and choose your preferred file format and quality. And that's Wepik. Design made easy for your business.